Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change lock screen clock to 12 hour to 24 hours format in Windows 11. So in this video tutorial I will share up both methods to 12 hour to 24 hours as well as 24 to 12 hours. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, guys, in this video tutorial, first of all, I share a procedure to 12 to 24 hours. So, first of all, in the search box, type a control panel and go to your control panel. And after doing this, that go to your region. So, find out a region and click on it. After doing this, that now you can see data at this time selected a H double M double S double T. So it is a 12-hour time. So select a double H dot double M small and double S. So after selecting that, click on additional setting. After selecting that, click on a administrative, click on a copy settings, click on apply, and after that click on a welcomes screen and system accounts, click on OK button. So after click on OK button, after close it and the restart your computer. When you restart your computer, your computer change the lock screen 12 hour to 24-hour format. So let's get started. We will share secondly 24 hours to 12 hours. So the secondly, go to your control panel. If you want to change 24-hour to 12-hour format, go to your region. After that, select a H dot double M double S double T. So after that, click on administrative, go to your copy setting, click on apply, and go to your welcome screen and system account. Click on OK button and OK. After I close it, after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this, that your time format will be changed 24 hours to 12 hours. So this is a both ways to change your clock and region time 12 hour to 24 and 24 to 12 hours. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube.